So this is the next morning. Good morning, guys, and this was the scene from our window. So this room was just like on the second floor, but it was like saying we are on the ground floor. The waves were large, and the color of the sea was really amazing. After having showered, we just sat to had our breakfast, and wow, the South Indian dishes were amazing. Fantastic pudding and cakes. Also, we enjoyed the view, the one you can see on our right is the sea view, and we were discussing what we gonna do on the next day. By the way, we are sitting on the fourth floor, that is the fourth deck, and it just not seem that we are on such top on the sea. This was a wonderful experience. Then we went to the nine deck. We just move around to see what else we have, the gymkhanas, also the winter garden, the spas, and so many things. We were amazed by the infrastructures of this whole cruise ship, and every corner was so neat and clean that we were not able to find anything. After this, we head back to our dinner area where we were welcomed with so wonderful dance with these beautiful ladies, and they were none of them were so Indian, but they were dancing so much very nice on this Bollywood songs. You can just गुड मॉर्निंग। आज डे 3 है और हम ऊपर आके बैठे हैं जैकुजी के इधर। थोड़ा चाय पानी किया है। आज हवा भी कम है तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। आज पूल में भी ज़्यादा लोग नहीं है कल के मुकाबले। कल तो बहुत सारे लोग थे। आज पूल खाली है और ये है जैकुजी। थोड़ा गर्म पानी आता है। इन लोग का क्लीनिनेस मानने लायक है एकदम टॉप का। के ऊपर का जगह, इधर पे लोग यूँ ही घूमने आते हैं, थोड़ा टहलने आते हैं। फ्लोर 10, डेक 10।